There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not do.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking onto this video. My name is Lina and welcome back. I've been overwhelmed with the feedback on my previous video where I've been reviewing my PM Louis Vuitton agenda. If you have not seen it, make sure to check it out. It's going to be either here or here. I'm not sure how it works yet, but I will link it up there. So today I thought I was gonna give my honest opinion about the cosmetic pouch from Louis Vuitton. Before you buy it, make sure to watch this video because I've got a lot of things to say about this one. So this is a smaller size. It comes in a bigger size as well. And it's got really nice touches. You can see that it's handmade. You do have a golden zip in here, a really nice finish in here, and if you open it, it is also really nice. It's got this beige calf leather inside. It's got a little pocket as well, and in here you can find a message that says, it just says that it's coated fabric and it's man-made lining. So when I bought it originally, I thought I was gonna use it for cosmetics. But I need to be honest with you guys, it is so pretty that I thought that my cosmetics would ruin them straight away. It's so nice and clean and beige. If you put powder in there, mascara or concealer, whatever you're using, you would ruin it. Plus, there's also another thing that the girly essentials that we use every day, they wouldn't fit in. Let me have a look. So I'm gonna try to put my contouring kit by Dior. I'm gonna also try to put my Chanel contouring powder as well as the Chanel powder. It's not gonna fit in, as you can see. So you know, the daily essentials, it was meant to be like a cute small cosmetic pouch, but it actually doesn't fit in the majority of the cosmetics that you would be carrying with you as an essential. So I use it in a different way that it was originally supposed to be. So what I do is that I put my credit cards in, as well as my ID, and I just put them in this little cute pocket in here. So they're really easily accessible, and you can have, you know, like nowadays everyone's got like multiple credit cards and IDs and stuff. So even if you've got, I've got 7. So, and they all fit in really nicely. You put one lipstick that I use most of the time, as well as my car keys and my house keys. And it zips really nicely. It doesn't frown in here, which means that, you know, it's perfect amount of stuff. This is how I use it. So if you're considering buying it, definitely go for it. It's really nice piece, and you can make money on it as well, because when I was buying it in December, the price of it was £240, and nowadays it's £290 for the smaller one. The price of the bigger one went up as well. So when you think about it, you actually are making money, because you know that this cosmetic pouch is so popular that they can put the prices up. So if you want to sell it in the future, if you keep it in a good condition, you will actually make money on it. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My name is Lina, and it was really nice to meet you. Okay, bye!